Welcome back to the Drive Smart campaign. Today, we're talking about one of the most crucial elements of safe driving, especially in winter conditions, keeping a safe distance from the car in front of you. Maintaining a proper following distance can prevent accidents, particularly rear-end collisions. In winter, roads are often slippery due to ice, snow, or rain, meaning your car's stopping distance increases significantly. This makes it even more important to leave enough space between you and the vehicle ahead. Tip 1. The 4-second rule. A good rule of thumb in normal conditions is the 2-second rule. Pick a fixed point on the road, and if you pass it in less than 2 seconds after the car ahead, you're too close. But in winter, that distance should be doubled to 4 seconds or more if conditions are severe. Tip 2. Avoid sudden movements. Another key to safe winter driving is avoiding sudden movements. If the car in front of you brakes suddenly and you're too close, it's much harder to avoid a collision. By keeping a safe distance, you have the time to brake gently and in control. Tip 3. Watch for heavy traffic and hazardous spots. Be extra cautious in high traffic areas, intersections, and places where roads tend to ice up, such as bridges and shaded stretches. Keep your eyes on the car ahead and anticipate possible hazards, allowing you to slow down gradually rather than stopping abruptly. Winter driving can be unpredictable, but by keeping a safe distance and following these tips, you can avoid rear-end collisions and stay safe on the road. Remember, driving smart means driving safe. Stay tuned for more weekly tips to help you drive smart all year long.